You have recently conducted a detailed process refresher training for employees of your business process. You have collected the data of manufacturing time before the training and after the training. Create two histograms and select the correct option from the given choices. You will see that the mean or the average line is around 80 minutes for this histogram, but the spread of this histogram is from 28 minutes to 148 minutes. Hi, welcome to this episode of the practical applications of the 7 basic tools of quality. My name is Rahul Iyer. In the previous episodes, you had gone through 2 real life examples of the tool stratification. And in today's episode, we will discuss the real life example of another tool called histogram. Let's begin. What is a histogram? A histogram is a frequency distribution diagram. You can use a histogram in many ways. Some of the ways include using the histogram to analyze whether your process can meet customer requirements, to check how your supplier's process looks like, to check if your process has undergone any changes between 2 time periods, and also to compare and confirm if the outputs of 2 or more processes are different. So, with this background information, let's look at a real-life situation. I have provided a downloadable link to this data in a spreadsheet in the description section. You have recently conducted a detailed process refresher training for employees of your business process. You have collected the data of manufacturing time before the training and after the training. Create 2 histograms and select the correct option from the given choices. The choices are 1. The manufacturing time has improved after training, and 2. The manufacturing time has not improved after training. So, let's take a quick moment to create the 2 histograms. Now, this histogram represents the manufacturing time before training, and this represents the manufacturing time after training. Just observe this histogram with a keen eye for detail. You will see that the mean or the average line is around 80 minutes for this histogram, but the spread of this histogram is from 28 minutes to 148 minutes. That means employees take that much time to manufacture 1 unit of the product. Now, variation is the enemy of any business process. It kills the process. And the variation seen in this process is extremely high. Let's take a look at the histogram of the manufacturing time after training. In this histogram too, the average line is around 80 minutes, just like the previous histogram. But you will see that the spread of this histogram is 65 minutes to 96 minutes. This is way lesser than the earlier histogram where the spread was between 28 and 148 minutes. The lower the variation, the better it is. Hence, based on your histogram analysis, this graphical tool clearly indicates that the manufacturing time has improved after training. And that's it. You have used a histogram to infer the results of a real life problem. We've come to the end of this episode. In the next episode, we will discuss another practical application of the same tool. If you have liked this episode, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to add your comments. See you in the next episode.